Today we're unboxing the Today and To-Do Undated Planner from Day Designer. Now this is more of a to-do list, and obviously it is just meant for you to carry around and write tasks in. And it is, I believe, the second version of a to-do list that they have come out with. I think they had one earlier, like a few years ago, like it was way discontinued. And in fact, this went on sale just a couple weeks ago, and it's already out of sale, like it's already out of stock. So, this is a really great idea if you are wondering what kind of a planner to make and maybe you don't want to get really involved with the specialty planner. I think to-do lists are an amazing thing that everybody is looking for. So let's open it up and find out what's inside and see if it's worth it. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturday. Now today we're opening up the Day Designer to-do undated planner that was $39.99, so it was not cheap. And shipping, and I'm here in San Diego, that was another $8 and something, so it was almost $50 just to get this planner. So let's check it out and see if it's worth it. So the first thing to notice is that this is beautifully branded packaging. They have a gold foil logo over here. It comes in this beautiful green sort of Tiffany mint color. Unfortunately, it did get pretty banged up in the shipping. It was 2-day shipping, so it did get here pretty quick. It has this beautiful inside as well. In case you're wondering, this is a UV coating for these. It has another box within a box, which I love. I'm pretty sure the box probably costs more than the planner. I might be exaggerating, that might be true. And it has this cute little opening over here and has the green. I don't know if you can see that. It even has detail where the inside is mint green. So we have our card here. It is just their logo, and it asks us if we want our order for free. Of course we want our order for free. So if you snap a picture, supposedly they will pick one person to go ahead and give this to for free or reimburse them. And then over here they have sort of the icons that are listed, I believe, inside the agenda and what each of them mean, as well as all of their social media. And it also has, which I think is really important, is information on caring for your planner, never to carry it on one side or the cover, and things just to make sure it stays looking as pretty as the day that they packaged it. So let's go ahead and open that up. See, that's really pretty, right? It has the little mint green inside. And I like this. So you get bubble wrap over here, and then there's another bag just in case. So a lot of care was taken to make sure that this did not get ruined. So it is pretty textured. I can hear my nails on it. It has nothing on the spine. It has their logo here in the back, gold foiling. And again, I don't know if gold foiling is the right thing to do on this sort of textured top, because it does look a little odd. Over here we have some gold foiling tiny dots, which do look beautiful, and you can put your information over here. This is a pretty thick page, just so you know, and the rest are super, super thin. To the point where I am kind of worried if I write in this with a marker, will it bleed through? I'm not really sure. So over here, she is telling you how to use this particular planner, I believe. She has reality check over here on where you spend your time. We have a Venn diagram of your values, your passions, and your strengths. We have your goals for 3, 6, 9, and 12 months out. If you can see that. And then over here we have how to turn your goals into intentions with some actions, both monthly and weekly. And then over here, your ideal month, starting on a Monday. I don't know how to read this, it's a little confusing, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess 5 weeks. And then over here we have your ideal, I guess, days broken up into time blocks. This is obviously excellent if you are a Monday through Friday sort of person and not an entrepreneur like I am, where every day is totally crazy and completely different. And then over here we have, it looks sort of like a mid-year plan, academic plan, because it started in July and it goes through June 2019. And then we get 13 months of undated months. So let's go ahead and try to write something in here and see if it bleeds through on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and say this is August 2019. And it does bleed through. So these are really, really thin pages. So if you like using markers, or not really markers, just pens like I do, like this, instead of a ballpoint pen, it's not going to allow you to do that on 2 pages. You're gonna have to skip a page or maybe switch to using a pencil or something. So you get 13 months, and then after that you get 15 weeks. So your weekly layout looks like this. You have your top 3 goals. Each day of the week has information, like a space you can write it, a to-do checklist with a little box, and then Saturday and Sunday don't have to-dos. And then you have a note section over here at the top. Now you get 13 of these, and then you get 90 of these dailies. So in the dailies, you can do some time blocking over here. You have a section at the bottom on what to remember, a little section for gratitude, your top 3 whatever for the day, a to-do list with that checklist, what's due, I guess what to have for dinner, and dollars and what not to forget, and some spaces for notes. So this is kind of a rinse and repeat for the next 90 days. And then you get, I think it said you get 10 pages of notes at the end. I'm not even sure. I guess these are just 3 blocks if you want to put categories or headers over here. And then the last page, now this page you could write in a marker on, because this is a very thick page. And over here you have your cute little gold foiling dots. And that's it. And you did get 2, I don't know if you can see this, you get 2 ribbons for bookmarks that are built into here. All right, I loved the minimalist design in this planner. I like that it's small and thin. I like the gilded page edges and how those match with the front. I like that it is pretty simple. There's not a lot going on in here. And I do like that there's plenty of spaces for me to write things, but I could easily just sort of freehand write kind of what I wanted without having to worry too much about adhering to what they have in here. The only thing I would change is the notes pages. I would have rather had like 1,000 more notes pages. I think you only get like 2 or 3, and I instead I would have wanted a dot grid. I think bullet journaling is really popular right now, and I also maybe would have had these a little sparser, but that's maybe just my personal preference. So leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the to-do list, and if you thought it was worth $39.95 plus another 8 something for shipping, and what you would have liked to see different in this planner.